Yo, so I'm at Mon Repos Market today and I want to see how many times I can get scammed as a foreigner. Also, I want to showcase the good vibes that Mon Repos Market has to offer. Man, what you selling there? What you selling there? Sir. What's that? Banker Riley? That crab?
Yeah.
Fast pack, yeah?
Yeah. You take a look.
I don't take a look. Hello, where's the man selling coconut oil?
Over there. It's a woman. She changed some man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you change?
600. Come 600 in.
That's 600?
Yep.
Starbucks market 500, you know. The big market is 500.
That big market one, like this one.
Are the same coconuts? That the same coconut, baby. Who are? I need you guys to tell me if I paid the correct price for this coconut oil. Let me know down below.
Yeah, me buy oil and me put mental crystal to rub my skin down.
Alright.
And I made mental crystal rub down my skin.
Yes, that's why she's skin real nice and shiny. God bless her, yo.
Thank you.
Bless.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. It smells fresh. Alright. When last time I come?
Huh?
When last time I come?
Last week.
Last week?
Yeah, for all the day before all this.
Oh, okay. How much it cost? 1,000? Alright. That's your father?
No.
You better?
No, what about you? Come stand by. No, you just stand right next to me.
Alright. There you go.
Thank
You guys want to be on TikTok?
you. No, we don't much page we don't take that. Every time we come to this market.
Right? So I went around big market
Oh.
and I had a challenge of what I can get for 5,000. Watch it.
Oh, I saw you the other day with 5,000. Yeah.
Yeah, that me. Yeah. That me there. Should we make a video? You're shy?
Yeah.
What? She told me that she don't want to be on TikTok. I'm sorry, darling, but I need content. But yeah, try to taste nice, you know. Big up yourself.
You have Mon Repos Market right now.
Uh-huh.
Understand? Eggs are $1,700 right now, but price fluctuate.
And them fresh?
Just like me, partner.
Real,
Watch me now, man.
Real fresh, man. You don't know. For a man that's in the gym, right? You want something to eat. Make him strong. Make him cocky whistle.
Blood clot, you gotta forget.
But
Blood is the first thing you gotta forget, dog. Blood is the first thing you gotta get. So
Yeah.
this is you right there.
Right there.
This is you right there.
Yeah, that people
This
right
is right
there.
there, Edo.
Yes,
You
yes.
come around with this. This is the first thing for this blood.
Any man that have low dysfunction, this is the man for you.
I got peace for you.
Right.
Tie it up all the time.
All the protein, all the protein.
Proteins non-stop. Dal.
Yeah, man.
Don't know, you can make the soup, you can make dal, how you want.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Next was the orange man. I need you guys to let me know if this man robbed me, if this man scammed me, if he overcharged me with his dishonesty. Let me know down below. He told me it's 6 tangerines for 1,000. Let me know if that's true or not. Alright then. You say 6 for 1,000?
That's right.
There you go. I'm gonna change it.
Give it 2,000.
Thanks. If you're watching this, sir, I'm coming back for my $500 change. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and follow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Me at Mon Repos Market, and I'll see you guys next time at the next video. It's always good vibes. One love.